बहुत भयावह था, ये तो समझ ही सकते हैं।
Yeah. Sudden incident took place today. Sabha peacefully going on. In the meantime, two persons coming down from gallery. They are try to run towards speaker. Myself and some of the MPs all together caught hold the accused and hold the hands and legs. We are handing over the accused to police personnel.
Then what?
Yeah.
You have done.
In the meantime, that fellow tried to throw smoke bomb. That is also even some smoke around the Sabha.